So what's gone is gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let
Hey everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. What's up? So right now we're here in La Union. I think this is just the second time we've been able to go down from Baguio. La Union is about 2 hours away from Baguio, and it's in the lowlands as compared to up in the mountains. And we're here in Seascape Resort here in Bauang, La Union, and it's our third day. Wasn't really feeling the mood to vlog about this trip. We just wanted to get out, get some sun, get some get to swim in the sea again, and that's why we're here. But we just wanted to relax, so it wasn't really much of flying, wasn't really much of vlogging. I took a couple of videos of the resort, but other than this bando right here behind me, which I crashed on my first flight, my first pack. I wrecked my GoPro, so not really that much HD footage. I did, however, was able to made in my 4-inch TimBurger version 2 with the Insta360 Go, but the video quality on that is meh. So it's not a professional shoot or anything. It's just for the vlog. But yeah, so it's not really gonna be not gonna have much flight videos on this. But yeah, I wasn't really feeling vlogging this trip. So we are about to go home in a couple of hours. It's already Sunday. We got here Friday afternoon. It wasn't really that much of a hassle. We just had to register with both the Baguio local government unit and also the La Union local government unit that we were going here. So everything had to be pre-arranged before your travel. So yeah, that's basically what the difference of traveling in the new normal versus in the old, where you can just hop in your car and just get up and go. So you can't do that anymore. But yeah, it was a really good vacation, mini vacation, just to relax, just to eat seafood and whatever here in La Union. So I am just going to keep it at that. If I ever post this vlog, then you're just gonna see a couple of B-roll, maybe some flights on this this trip of ours. So yeah. Anyway, as I always say, just keep building and keep flying, and peace out from La Union.